Hello friends, I'm Shahjalal, a supply chain specialist. Already I discussed about an international payment method, namely letter of credit (LC) in an earlier video. You can watch that video following I button or YouTube cards showing top of this video screen as suggested video. Also you can watch that video following the video link provided in the video description. Today I will discuss about another international payment method, namely cash in advance. It is also well recognized and widely used international payment method with some limitations for importing and exporting goods or services to or from the rest of the world. Most of the people in the world think that LC is only a payment method for any types of international trade. It's not right at all. Actually, we have well recognized and widely used 5 types of international payment methods. You can choose any one of them. You may choose LC or letter of credit option. Similarly, you may choose cash in advance option as well. It's depend on importer and exporter with prescribed local laws of both countries. What is cash in advance? Cash in advance is a prepayment method in which an importer pays in advance for the items to be imported prior to the shipment of goods. The importer has to send money first, then the exporter will make the shipment. A question may be raised that is it risky? Absolutely. It's very risky for the importers only, though it has many risk factors for the buyer or importer. Sometimes buyer or importer agrees to use this method when: number 1, the importer has not long established and new. Number 2, the importer's credit status is not satisfactory. Number 3, political risks are very high in the importer's country. Number 4, the exporter operates an internet-based business where the acceptance of credit card payment is a standard way of conducting business transactions. Number 5, the product is in heavy demand and there are no available suppliers of this product. How does an importer make payment under this method? It has 4 ways to make payment. Number 1, wire transfer. Number 2, credit card. Number 3, escrow service. Number 4, check. In these 4 ways to pay cash in advance, wire transfer as well as credit cards are the most commonly used in cash in advance option. Now I will discuss 4 ways for paying cash in advance one by one. Number 1, wire transfer. Theoretically, wire transfer is an electronic fund transfer one person or entity to another. It is a more secured and adapted cash in advance method worldwide. In an international business transaction, wire transfer is made with the help of SWIFT message. SWIFT means the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. A 6-digit bank identification code is assigned to each bank and transfer funds is effected with the help of SWIFT message. In this case, exporter should provide clear information such as receiver's bank name and address, bank code, SWIFT address and seller's name, address, bank account title and account number. Generally, exporters provide this information using a format like pro forma invoice or PI. Transferring money using Western Union, FedWire system, remittance transfer, TT, etc. are also called as a wire transfer, but these are not widely used in the international trade. Please look into the video screen to see a sample of wire transfer using SWIFT. Number 2, credit card. We know how to make international payments through credit card against goods or services. In this case, the importer has to follow the local laws governing international credit card transactions. Rules may differ from country to country. Number 3, escrow service. An escrow is a financial arrangement where a third party holds and regulates payment of the fund required for the 2 parties involved in a given transaction. It helps make transactions more secure by keeping the payment in escrow service account, which is only released when all the terms of an agreement are met as overseen by the escrow service provider. In this payment option, an escrow service provider has to be selected mutually with the agreed to the terms of the escrow service. The importer will pay to nominate escrow service provider using a prepayment method, and upon payment verification by the escrow service provider, the seller is authorized to send the merchandise and submit tracking information. Then escrow service provider follow up whether the importer received the goods or not. After receiving the goods in accordance with the agreed terms, the importer or buyer provides the acceptance to the escrow service provider. Then escrow service provider release the funds to the exporter. Under this type of cash in advance option, escrow service provider work as like grantor. Escrow service provider will be liable to ensure payment of exporter and ensure getting goods of importer in accordance with the agreed terms. Number 4. Check payment. The least adopted payment method of cash in advance is payment by check. There is a huge delay in the collection of money as the check is drawn on the importer's account and mailed to the exporter abroad, which takes a long time in processing as the cross-border check collection is very complicated. This type of check collection is not supported by the local laws of many countries. Alternatively, importer can provide a bank draft to the exporter drawn on a branch or account of importer bank operating in exporter country. Merits and demerits of cash in advance. Firstly, demerits in terms of importer. Number 1. Risks of not receiving shipment or receiving damaged shipment. Number 2. Unfavorable cash flow. Merits in terms of exporter. Number 1. Secure full payment. Number 2. No risks of non-payment. Also, seller has a demerit of risk of losing business if offering cash in advance as the only accepted international payment method. To avoid risks of not receiving the shipment or receiving a damaged shipment, most of the countries prescribe a maximum limit for the cross-border payment as cash in advance. Transaction limit for cash in advance method may differ from country to country. No more today.